Welcome back to the vlog. This is day 2 of qualifying here at the Masters, and if you missed the first one, go back and watch that one first. Come back and watch this one. I felt like I bowled pretty good, just didn't score very good. It's probably a ball reaction thing, but yesterday was the burn. We're not going to see that again, so we got fresh today. We have some different options. We got a couple of DNAs, a gem, the Magic Marvel S, and then for later in the block, maybe exotic gem and eternity, which we threw for the most part yesterday. I believe the number is about 30 ahead of us, 97. The year has gone pretty similar. You know, a little bit out of the number, figure it out, put up a good number, and then from there it's kind of just how can we tweak things to keep going. So hopefully that remains the same because we just have to make the bracket, and then from there we play chess. I like playing chess. I'm not actually that good. I don't know strats or anything, but when it comes to bowling, chess.
Are you ready? What do you know? The heartbreak kid just stole the show. Breaking the mold. I'm a firecracker, baby. I'm about to explode. Curtains calling, take your seats. Lights, camera, action, baby. It's my time. It's your time. It's your time. It's my time. It's your time. It's showtime. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. Are you ready? It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. 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 Are you ready? It's showtime. It's showtime. Are you ready?
Darren just had 2 good games. First game, 239, threw the exotic gem and the Marvel S in the 10th frame. The second game, he moved a little bit left and he was throwing the Marvel S the whole time. He had the front 7, split twice, 8th and 9th, struck out in the 10th for 241. He's up now, plus 142. He's gaining ground, he's gaining it quick. Let's see if he can keep the ball rolling and bowl a good series.
Ready for war, I'm ready for action, man, I'm ready. All this talking sound like madness, but I'm ready. Ready for war, I'm ready for action. All this talking sound like madness, only crazy till it happens, but I'm ready. Ready, ready, what you saying, man, I'm ready. Ready, ready, stop the playing, man, I'm ready. Ready, ready, what you saying, man, I'm ready. Stop the playing, man, I'm ready. You ain't hear me, man, I'm ready.
Look, ready for action, look at the madness, taking the fathom away. Over the atlas, look at the fabric, putting it right in your face. Real talk, I'm established. I ain't one you can manage. I came for reaction. I go to egg, it ain't for average. I go to B, your shade of bad. I go to C, I'm sipping a chalice. Out in the dig, I'm doing the damage. E was equally careless. For real G's, don't follow the grade. I'm doing my own, so mind your tone. This all I'ma say, the boy's ready.
Ready for war, I'm ready for action, man, I'm ready. All this talking sound like madness, but I'm ready. Ready for war, I'm ready for action. All this talking sound like madness, only crazy till it happens, but I'm ready. Ready, ready, what you saying, man, I'm ready. Ready, ready, stop the playing, man, I'm ready. Ready, ready, what you saying, man, I'm ready. Stop the playing, man, I'm ready. You ain't hear me, man, I'm ready.
Yeah, ready, set, go, really prep though. Want a metro, oh man. I had less though, tryna flex on me, you know, go start playing. This really is God's plan. Don't get lost in the sauce, fam. You don't know what it costs, man. My redemption was sharp. Shame, matter of time if God stamped it. burning, I'm ready. Ready for war, I'm ready for action, man, I'm ready. All this talking sound like madness, but I'm ready. Ready for war, I'm ready for action. All this talking sound like madness, only crazy till it happens, but I'm ready. Ready, ready, what you saying, man, I'm ready. Ready, ready, stop the playing, man, I'm ready. Ready, ready, what you saying, man, I'm ready. Stop the playing, man, I'm ready. You ain't hear me, man, I'm ready.
Pulled 260. Feel like we're rolling pretty good today. Hit a tricky pair down there. Didn't miss the hole more than, hit it like 9 times and shot 190. A lot of half tens. Apparently that's the hardest pair in the house, so I was told. Take it for what it is. We bounced back to 260, got one more game for the walk, currently 200 over. Let's see if we can finish it off.
I did.
Yeah, clickbait. Hi. So, the title of this video is going to be I picked up the hardest spare in bowling. That was pretty cool actually, good momentum. We had 185 over today. I don't feel like I bowled as good as I did yesterday, but we got the pins to fall down today, so that's all that matters. Just one more good block tomorrow, and we should be bowl match play. We got the fresh tomorrow, we got a 30-some hour break now. Because we just got done bowling. It was 8 a.m. this morning and we bowl at 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. So we'll probably go get some food, take a nap, find something to do, and we'll sleep in tomorrow. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video as well. See you tomorrow.